back to Manifesting in Style, and Happy New Year to you all. I hope you all had the best year yet. And today we're going to be discussing everything New Year's resolutions, vision boards, everything like that. And I just really wanted to wish you guys all a very happy new year. Let's get into it. Let's discuss New Year's resolutions because I feel like it's very fitting. You know, New Year's resolutions are essentially your goals for the year, which is something I love to talk about on here. My New Year's resolutions include building my brand back up again. If you guys know Shop by Ava, if you remember that, or if you know what Shop by Ava is, you're a real one. But I have so many goals for that, and I have so many different things that I want to accomplish that have to do with that. So that's definitely one of my goals, and to definitely create more time for myself. I feel like I have trouble doing, even though it's so important. I just feel like sometimes I don't prioritize myself, and I prioritize work and things like that instead, and school and everything. But it's just really schedule a day out of the week to focus on myself. I think that's a goal that I have. And yeah, I mean, what are your guys' goals? Think about it to yourself right now. It's important to identify them, write them down, make them clear, so that way that you can make them happen this year. Was that kind of a rhyme? Okay, there we go. Okay, so what is your favorite thing that happened this year? I love how we're having a conversation right now, and you're not, like, I can't hear your guys' answers, but answer in your head, please. What is your favorite thing that you did this year, and what is something that you want to expand on? Think about your favorite thing that you did, and think about why it was your favorite thing, and think about how you want to continue that on for next year. That is how you make your resolutions. Be very specific when you're writing down things. And remember, as I always say, when you're writing down what you want, make sure that you write it down as you already have it, because it is on its way to you. Something else that I want to talk about is vision boards. I mean, I always talk about dream boards and Canva and Pinterest. I know you guys are probably so sick of it at this point. But dream boards, I feel like, or vision boards, I feel like are really the most essential out of everything that I've talked about, because I feel like so many successful people and so many people honestly do vision boards, and they can testify and say that they are 100% worth doing, and they're so worth it. And it's really, really nice to have it, because instead of, simply writing down your goals, you get to see them on a board, and you get to look at that board, and you could put it somewhere in your house where you'll constantly be looking at it and be reminded that, those things are on their way to you. I have so many boards. I think I have like 5 from the past 5 years. I think I started doing it 5 years ago, and almost every single thing on those boards came true. And it's really, really cool to look back at and to be like, wow, those things happened. And I called it, really. I called it. I put it on a board, and it came true. Make it a priority to really be detailed with yourself and make sure you're very clear on what you want to accomplish this year. It's so fun to do too, making vision boards. Put on a song that you love and, make your vision board. It's really, really cute. And I'm also going to make a video on it on TikTok. Definitely. It's probably out by this time on vision boards, about how to make them and what to put on your vision board, everything like that. I remember like 5 years ago when I was literally just in high school, like I had no reason to be printing out things that were as valued as, do you guys know what I'm saying? Like, I was in high school, I wasn't doing what I wanted to do. Yeah, I was just in my extracurriculars in school, and I was just doing school. But I had such high visions for myself, and even if something doesn't come true that year, just know that it will come true later, even in the next year, because I am living proof that those things work. I literally have printed things on my vision board that seemed so unattainable at the time that I have now. I mean, there's so many things. I'm trying to think of an example for you guys so that way you guys can really see, how real it is. There's this one. So when I was in high school, I was like, I am going to live in New York, and there's no one is stopping me. I'm going to fashion school in New York. What's that one TikTok everyone talks about? Dad, I want to go to fashion school, from Gossip Girl. If you know, you know. But that was me. Okay, like I was like, I'm going to the new school I'm going to, Parsons, I'm going 100%. There is no doubt in my mind that is where I will be. And I had such a clear and set goal at that time. So most of my vision boards are honestly filled with New York. I mean, things changed. I did get into Parsons twice. I just never ended up transferring. I don't know. Life just took me like different ways, I guess. And I don't know. I just didn't end up going anyway, but I just have so many visions of New York, and I think New York is honestly the place that I'll probably end up in the future. I don't know yet, but I'm pretty set on it. But one picture that I have on my vision board that I love is Emily Ratajkowski walking her dog, and I love that picture so much. It was just like a vibe to put on the vision board because she was in New York, she's walking her dog, she looks independent, and you know, I want to walk my dog in New York too and be really successful. So I put that on one of my boards, and last year, or maybe like, gosh guys, time is moving so fast, like a year and a half ago, maybe 2 years ago, god, I don't know, I don't remember. But I was taking a picture of my mom in New York. I was in New York and I saw Emily Ratajkowski walking her dog, and I was like, I don't know, like it was just like a cute moment where I was like, okay, like that was on my vision board, no big deal, like is that a sign? Okay, I'm such a sign person. Referring back to episode 1, take hints, that was a hint. Anyway, just other things like me doing TikTok, creating my own line, like there was like a podcast mic, I believe, on my vision board for this year, and just so many things. I'm actually gonna look at my vision board. Can I do that without disturbing this podcast? Yeah, so I put my vision board on my screensaver so that way I can always look at it. I thought that was the best place because I'm always on my computer. But yeah, I don't know, there's just so many things on here that like have come true this year, and you know, I don't want to tell you guys everything, but a lot of it has, trust. So definitely get your vision board going. I named this episode Time because time is critical. Time is so valuable. Time is one of my favorite words because timing is everything. Time is in everything. God's timing, divine timing, everything happens for a reason. I'm a big believer in that. So I don't know, I just love the word time, and I wanted to name this episode that because we have a whole year of time, 365 days of time to do something beneficial for ourselves, to do something that we want with our lives. So I think that is essential to acknowledge that time is there, and the time is yours, in conclusion. So challenge yourself this year, create goals for yourself that you didn't think were attainable or that are different than last year, you know, because they are attainable, and you got this. Guys, that's it for season 1 of this podcast. It went by so fast, and it's just the beginning, seriously. Like I look back at like some of the first episodes even now, and I'm like, they're gonna get so much better, and I'm really, really excited. Everything's a process always. So yeah, I mean, I hope you guys enjoyed something from season 1. I hope you got something out of season 1, and I really, really love doing this, and I'm so excited for season 2. Please feel free to message me on @manifestinginstyle or @avasalmaci. Any ideas that you guys have, anything that you want to see for next season, I'm so open to hearing. Any people that you want to see, any guests, anything like that. So open to hearing. So yeah, I mean, thank you guys so much for listening again. Happy New Year to you all. I pray that you all have the best New Year ever, and that you get everything that you want this year. I'll see you all in the next season, not episode, season. And as always, happy manifesting.